Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save call log number to our contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all we can go to our phone application. Click on this phone application to open it, and then we have to go to the recent section to open the call history. And this is my call history on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and I'm going to save it as call log number to my contact. For example, we can click on the call log number, then we can click on add to contact right here, and here we have two options. We can select create new contact or update existing contact, and I'm just going to create new contact, and we can name the contact. I'm going to name it like this. Once we're done naming the contact or the phone number, we can click on save to save this phone number to our contact. Okay, now as you can see that the phone number or the call log number has been saved to my contact. And or I guess that's how we can save call log number to our contact on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.